Let's start with a number that might scramble your mind. 1 million eggs, all laid, sorted and shipped from a single South Korean egg factory in just one day. That's not just a statistic, it's a daily reality happening behind the scenes while most of us are still waking up. That's enough eggs to make breakfast for an entire city. Imagine every household, every cafe, every restaurant, all starting their day with a fresh egg, thanks to this one facility. Imagine the scale, thousands of hens, endless rows of eggs and a system working like clockwork every hour, every minute. The sheer coordination required is mind-boggling, with each hen contributing to this massive daily output. It's not magic, it's science, technology, and a lot of hard work. Every step, from collection to packaging, is carefully engineered for efficiency and precision. Eggs are a staple in many diets around the world. They're packed with protein, affordable, and incredibly versatile, making them a kitchen essential for millions. In Korea, they're in everything from simple breakfast to savory stews. You'll find eggs in street food, lunch boxes, and even in luxurious hotel buffets. Their popularity means demand is always high. Supermarkets and local stores need constant restocking, and consumers expect nothing less than the freshest eggs. It's not surprising that factories have to think big. Meeting this demand requires innovation, scale, and a relentless focus on quality. Producing 1 million eggs daily isn't just about quantity, it's about consistency, freshness, and above all, safety. Every egg must pass strict quality checks before it ever reaches your table. But how does a single facility pull off such an enormous feat? What systems are in place to keep everything running smoothly, day after day? The answer lies in a blend of advanced engineering, strict hygiene practices, and smart teamwork. Every worker, every machine, and every process is part of a finely tuned operation. Over the next few sections, we'll crack open the secrets behind Korea's high-tech egg factories. We'll see how technology and tradition come together to deliver eggs at an astonishing scale. Whether you love your eggs scrambled or sunny side up, you're about to discover how each one makes its way from the chicken to your kitchen in record time, with almost no human hands touching the shell. Get ready to see the journey of the humble egg like never before. At the core of every egg factory are the hens. These birds are the heart of the operation, and their well-being is the foundation of successful egg production. These aren't your backyard chickens. They're part of a highly organized, large-scale system designed for efficiency and productivity. Imagine vast, climate-controlled barns housing tens of thousands of birds under one roof. These facilities are engineered to provide the perfect environment for egg-laying hens, regardless of the weather outside. Here, temperature and humidity are carefully regulated 24/7. Sophisticated sensors and automated fans work together to maintain ideal conditions at all times. The birds live in specially designed enclosures that optimize their comfort and egg-laying abilities. These spaces are crafted to reduce stress and allow hens to move, perch, and lay eggs efficiently. The environment inside these barns is crucial. Too hot, and the hens get stressed. Too cold, and egg production drops. Even small fluctuations can have a big impact on the flock's health and productivity. Automated systems constantly monitor air quality, temperature, and even lighting. These systems can detect changes instantly and make adjustments in real time. The lighting is set to mimic the natural sunrise and sunset. This keeps the hens in a healthy rhythm, encouraging them to lay eggs regularly. Proper lighting also helps reduce stress and supports the birds' natural behaviors. Feed and water are delivered automatically. Every hen gets the nutrition she needs without competition or waste. This ensures that each bird is healthy and able to produce high-quality eggs. This not only boosts productivity but also keeps the hens healthier. Healthier hens mean stronger, higher-quality eggs, which benefits both the farm and the consumer. It's a delicate balance. Even a small change in the environment can affect the entire operation, from the hen's health to the number of eggs produced each day. That's why these systems are backed up and monitored by teams of specialists who watch every detail, making adjustments as needed to keep the egg-laying engine running smoothly. Their expertise ensures that the environment remains stable and the hens stay happy and productive day after day. Hygiene is non-negotiable in high-tech egg factories. Diseases can spread quickly among chickens. Prevention begins before anyone even steps into the barn. Workers suit up in special clothing and pass through sanitizing stations. Foot baths, hand washing, and even air showers are part of the daily routine. Cleanliness doesn't stop at the barn door. Air is filtered to keep out dust and germs. Surfaces are washed and disinfected regularly. Tools and equipment are sterilized between uses. Even the feed and water systems are checked for contamination. Eggs themselves are handled with extreme care. Automated systems move eggs off the hen's nest and onto conveyors without human contact. This reduces the risk of spreading bacteria. If a sick chicken is detected, its eggs are removed from production immediately. All these steps work together to build a barrier against disease. This keeps both hens and eggs safe, ensuring that only the cleanest, healthiest eggs make it to the next stage of their journey. Now comes the moment of truth. The journey of an egg from the hen to your breakfast table is about to begin, and it's far more high-tech than you might imagine. The hen lays the egg, and within moments, it's rolling gently onto a conveyor belt. This seamless transition is the first step in a carefully orchestrated process. This is where automation takes over, ensuring that every egg is handled with precision and care. From this point on, most eggs will travel through the factory without ever being touched by a human hand, maintaining cleanliness and consistency. The conveyor system is a marvel of modern engineering, designed to move eggs efficiently and safely. It winds through the barn and into the processing facility, moving thousands of eggs every minute, keeping up with the incredible pace of production. Sensors track the movement of each batch, monitoring for any irregularities or issues along the way. If there's a blockage or breakage, the system alerts workers immediately so the problem can be fixed before it affects the rest of the line. Each conveyor is designed to handle eggs delicately, using soft padding and gentle movements to protect the fragile shells. Too rough and shells might crack, leading to waste and lost product. Too slow and production falls behind, causing delays and inefficiencies in the entire operation. The system is tuned perfectly, ensuring that nearly every egg arrives at the processing area intact, ready for the next stage. This automation doesn't just boost efficiency, it transforms the entire process, making it possible to meet the demands of millions of consumers. It also protects the eggs from contamination, as the enclosed system keeps out dust, bacteria, and other potential hazards. Less human handling means a lower chance of germs getting onto the shells, which is crucial for food safety. It's a win-win for both speed and safety, ensuring that the eggs you buy are as fresh and clean as possible, thanks to the wonders of automation. Once the eggs arrive in the processing area, it's time for a thorough checkup. The first step is a visual inspection, done by high-speed cameras. These cameras can spot cracks, deformities, or dirt faster than any human eye. Eggs that don't pass this stage are separated and sent for further examination. Next comes the washing process. Eggs are gently washed in warm, soapy water. Brushes and jets remove any dirt or debris. This is a delicate operation. The goal is to clean the eggs without damaging their natural protective coating. After washing, the eggs are rinsed and then dried with warm air. After drying, the eggs go through another inspection. Sterilization may follow, using ultraviolet light or a mild sanitizing spray. This extra step ensures any remaining bacteria are wiped out, leaving the eggs sparkling clean. Every egg is now ready for the next step. Cleaned, checked, and sterilized, they move forward on the conveyor, one step closer to your breakfast plate. Not all eggs are created equal. Some are larger, some smaller, and some have minor imperfections. Here's where the factory sorting systems come to life. Every egg passes through a weighing station, where precise sensors determine its weight to the gram. Eggs are then separated by size, large, medium, small, so that packaging matches what customers expect. Another inspection follows, this time using powerful LED lights. Eggs roll through a process called candling, where light shines through the shell. This reveals cracks or internal problems like blood spots or double yolks. Any flawed eggs are sorted out for other uses like baking or animal feed. Sorting and grading happens at lightning speed. Machines can handle thousands of eggs per minute, each one checked and categorized automatically. Software keeps track of every egg's journey, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. By the end of this stage, only the highest quality eggs remain on the main conveyor. They're matched perfectly for size, cleanliness, and freshness, ready for packaging. Now, it's time for packaging. Eggs are grouped based on size and quality, then placed into cartons by robotic arms. The packaging area is another high-tech zone, with machines assembling boxes, placing eggs gently inside, and sealing the cartons shut. Labels are printed and attached, showing dates and traceability codes for safety. Before the cartons leave the factory, there's one final quality check. Workers and machines inspect the packages for any cracks or defects. Some facilities use metal detectors at this stage to ensure no foreign objects have made their way into the boxes. Only after passing these rigorous checks are the eggs sent off for shipping. The packaged eggs are then loaded onto climate-controlled trucks. This keeps them fresh during transport to supermarkets, restaurants, and homes across the country. Freshness, safety, and traceability are guaranteed at every step. The journey from hen to carton is nearly complete. Egg factories don't just pack raw eggs, many also produce ready-to-eat options like soft-boiled and roasted eggs. These products start with the same careful selection and cleaning as regular eggs. Selected eggs are sent to a special processing line. For soft-boiled eggs, the eggs are cooked at a precise temperature and time. Machines monitor every second to get the perfect yolk, creamy and just set. Roasted eggs are cooked in their shells using steam or dry heat, giving them a unique texture and flavor loved across Korea. Once cooked, the eggs cool quickly to keep them fresh. They're then peeled, if needed, inspected, and packaged in convenient ready-to-eat packs. Hygiene remains a top priority throughout this process. These processed eggs offer busy consumers a quick, healthy snack, proof that technology isn't just about making things faster, but also tastier and more convenient. Next time you crack open an egg, remember the journey it's taken. From climate-controlled barns to high-speed conveyors, from rigorous inspections to careful packaging, every step is powered by hidden technology and dedicated teamwork. Producing 1 million eggs a day isn't just a numbers game. It's a complex dance of machines, engineers, and animal caretakers. The process is constantly evolving. New sensors, smarter robots, and better hygiene standards are always being developed. All this ensures that the eggs on your table are not only fresh but safe and reliable. So the next time you make an omelet or pack a lunch, take a moment to appreciate the story behind each egg. It's a story of innovation, precision, and the quiet teamwork that brings breakfast to millions, every single day. Eggs may seem simple, but their journey is anything but. In Korea's high-tech factories, every egg is a marvel of modern food science, cracked open just for you.